Hello children. Today we are going to learn an important grammar topic, how to add ing to action words or verbs. Adding ing helps show that an action is happening now or continuing. Okay, but we cannot just add ing to every word the same way. There are different rules. We will learn them step by step with lots and lots of examples. Clear children? Welcome to my channel Class 1 Buds. Please subscribe my channel for more fun videos. Now category 1, words with CVC pattern. That means consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. What is the rule? If a one syllable word ends with a consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC pattern, we double the last consonant before adding ing. For example, run, run. If we add ing to run, it will become ru double n ing, because ru and run is a verb which has CVC pattern. I'll explain you. R is a consonant, u is a vowel, and again n is a consonant. So it's a CVC pattern word. Clear? I'll explain you in Hindi also. अगर एक वन सिलेबल वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट ववल कॉन्सोनेंट से ख़त्म होता है तो हम लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल करते हैं और ing लगाते हैं. क्लियर? लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. रन, रनिंग. Sit, sitting. Hop, hopping. Swim, swimming. Drop, dropping. Clap, clapping. You can also read with me. Grab, grabbing. Skip, skipping. Plan, planning. Tap, tapping. Shop, shopping. Pin, pinning. Bat, batting. Chat, chatting. Fit, fitting. Slip, slipping. Mop, mopping. Wrap, wrapping. Stop, stopping. Cut, cutting. You will find the CVC pattern in all these words. You can cross check. Now let's see category 2. Words with two vowels plus consonant. VVC pattern. Rule क्या है? If a word has two vowels together before the final consonant, we do not double the last consonant, just add ing. For example, rain, rain. अगर किसी वर्ड में लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट के पहले दो वोवल्स साथ साथ होते हैं तो हम लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल नहीं करते हैं, बस ing ऐड करते हैं. क्लियर? लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. रेन, raining. What's the last consonant here? N. N is a consonant. Consonant. There are two vowels coming together. A and I. Both are vowels. So two vowels साथ साथ है. उसके आगे N consonant है. So vowel, vowel, consonant pattern. If you find a word with vowel, vowel, consonant pattern, then the last consonant will not be doubled. आप उसको double नहीं करेंगे. Just add ing to the word. Okay? अभी और मोर एग्जाम्पल्स देखेंगे. सेल, सेलिंग. बॉयल, बॉइलिंग. रीड, रीडिंग. मैम के साथ आप भी रीड करेंगे. फीड, फीडिंग. कोट, कोटिंग. हीट, हीटिंग. पेंट, पेंटिंग. क्लीन, क्लीनिंग. फ्लोट, फ्लोटिंग. ब्लीड, ब्लीडिंग. बीट, बीटिंग. लोन, लोनिंग. लोड, लोडिंग. फोम, foaming. Team, teaming. Leak, leaking. Seat, seating. Dream, dreaming. Stream, stream. You can cross check the rule with any one of the words or with all the words. You will find the same pattern. Is this rule clear, children? Can we go to the category number 3? Category number 3. Words ending with vowel plus y. Rule क्या है? If a word ends with a vowel followed by y, we never double the last letter. we just add ing. For example, play. The word play ends with a vowel followed by y. So we just add ing to the word play. The answer is play, playing. PLAYING. अगर कोई भी वर्ड वॉवल प्लस वाई से ख़त्म होता है तो लास्ट लेटर को कभी डबल नहीं करना, बस ing ऐड करके लिखना है. क्लियर? लेट्स सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. प्ले, प्लेइंग. एन्जॉय, enjoying. Read with me, children. Obey, obeying. Delay, delaying. Say, saying. Buy, buying. Stay, staying. Decay, decaying. Relay, relaying. Survey, surveying. Portray, portraying. Repay, repaying. Repaying. Convey, conveying. Slay, slaying. Employ, employing. Deploy, deploying. Outlay, outlaying. Overpay, overpaying. Underpay, underpaying. So all these words are ending with a vowel followed by y. So we just add ing to the word. Is this rule clear, children? Can we go to the next category? Yes? Good. Category number 4. Words ending with e. If a word ends with e, we drop the e and then add ing. For example, make. The word make ends with e, so we drop the e and then add ing. The answer is making, making. अगर वर्ड ई पे ख़त्म होता है तो हम ई को हटा देते हैं और ing लगाते हैं. क्लियर? Let's see some examples. Bake, baking. Make, making. Dance, dancing. Write, writing. Drive, driving. Come, coming. Give, giving. Take, taking. Shine, shining. Hope, hoping. Live, living. Love, loving. Use, using. Rise, rising. Change, changing. Smile, smiling. Name, naming. Close, closing. Care, caring. Share, sharing. So is rule number 4 clear, children? Can we go to the next category? So category number 5 is words ending with 2 consonants. Rule क्या है? If a word ends with 2 consonants, we do not double any letter, just add ing. अगर वर्ड 2 कॉन्सोनेंट से ख़त्म होता है तो हम कोई लेटर डबल नहीं करते हैं, बस ing लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जंप. JUMP, jump. So the last 2 letters of this word jump are consonants. M is a consonant and P is a consonant. So we just add ing to jump and the answer is JUMPING, jumping. Okay, clear? Let's see some examples. Jump, jumping. Walk, walking. Talk, talking. Bank, banking. Help, helping. Paint, painting. Start, starting. Bend, bending. Learn, learning. Send, sending. Work, working. Laugh, laughing. Brush, brushing. Milk, milking. Hunt, hunting. Want, wanting. Check, checking. Smell, smelling. Is category number 5 clear, children? Clear? Can we go to category number 6? Are you ready now? Category number is so easy to remember. So the rule is words ending with W or X. If a word ends with W or X, we never double the last letter before adding ing. रूल क्या है? अगर वर्ड W या X पे ख़त्म होता है तो हम कभी लास्ट लेटर को डबल नहीं करते हैं, बस ing ऐड करते हैं. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्नो. SNOW, snow. The answer is SNOWING because the word snow ends with the letter W. Clear? Let's see some examples. Snow, snowing. Row, rowing. Throw, throwing. show, showing, blow, blowing. Read with me, children. Grow, growing, flow, flowing, glow, glowing, mix, mixing, fix, fixing, box, boxing, wax, waxing. Is category number 6 clear, children? Can we go to category number 7? Category number 7 is little difficult to understand, but if you practice, you will learn soon. Okay? Rule क्या है? If a word has 2 syllables and the stress is on the last syllable, we double the last consonant before adding ing. अगर एक वर्ड 2 syllable का है और स्ट्रेस सिर्फ लास्ट सिलेबल पे है तो हम लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट डबल करते हैं, फिर ing लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल बिगिन. सो इस पे स्ट्रेस, ये बिगिन 2 सिलेबल का है और बी पे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं है, बट GIN गिन पे स्ट्रेस है. सो हम गिन के साथ जो लास्ट लेटर है N, उसको हम डबल करते हैं. सो द आंसर इज़ BEGINNING. डबल करना है यहाँ पे. ओके, लेट्स सी मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. एडमिट, एडमिटिंग, मिट पे स्ट्रेस है. प्रेफर, प्रेफरिंग. अकर, अकरिंग. रेफर, रेफरिंग. रिग्रेट, रिग्रेटिंग. बिगिन, बिगिनिंग. फॉरगेट, forgetting. Commit, committing. Submit, submitting. Excel, excelling. Control, controlling. Permit, permitting. Transfer, transferring. Compel, compelling. Conquer, conquering. Equip, equipping. Omit, omitting. Is this clear, children? But for this category you have to work very hard. You have to practice more. Okay? Dear kids, now that we have learnt all the rules for adding ing to words, it's the time to test our skills. In the following practice sets, you will find different type of verbs mixed together. Read each word carefully and write the correct ing form by applying the right rule. Remember to think before you write. क्या remember करना है आपको? Check if you need to double a consonant, या drop the e or just add ing directly. हिंदी में भी समझा देती हूँ. अब हमने सारी रूल्स पढ़ लिया है कि वर्ड्स के साथ ing कैसे लगाते हैं, है ना? अब प्रैक्टिस करने का टाइम आ गया है. नीचे दिए गए सेट्स में अलग अलग तरीके के वर्ब्स की मिक्स है. हर वर्ड को ध्यान से पढ़ना है और सही ing फॉर्म लिखना है. क्लियर बेटे? याद रखना है कि कहाँ पे आपको कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल करना है या ये कहाँ पे जस्ट ing को ऐड करना है, या अगर ये है तो ये को ड्रॉप करके कैसे हम ing मिलाते हैं. ये सब ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको ये सारे सेट्स को फिल करना है in rough copy. Is that clear, children? Children, you can cross-check your answers with the answer sheets given at the end. Give marks to your practice question paper and write your score in the comment section for each set. Don't forget to do that. So children, now you know all the different ways to add ing to verbs. Practice these rules every day and soon you will use them without even thinking. Right? Try to make your own sentences with these words also. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.